Hello, 你好. Welcome to our first lesson. Are you ready for your Pinyin journey? Let's get started. In this lesson, we'll learn what Pinyin is, why we use it, and how it works. And then we'll learn some initials followed by practices. So what is Pinyin? Pinyin literally means spell sound. It's a tool to help us pronounce the Chinese characters using Latin alphabet, which is the English alphabet we know. For example, when you see these two characters, you would have no idea how to pronounce them if you have never learned Chinese characters before. But there, does it look more friendly to you now? So these are Pinyin. It is to help you pronounce the Chinese characters. Each Chinese character corresponds to one syllable. So 你 is one syllable to this character. 好 is one syllable to this character. And each syllable has three parts. For example, the pinyin 好 is made of initial, final, and a tone. A Chinese syllable can have no initials, but must have a final and a tone. Don't worry, we will learn all these step by step. These initials here, the ones in black, they're very similar to the English alphabet. The ones in red are a bit alien to us, but trust me, with a bit of help, you can definitely pronounce them correctly. Now let's look at the first four. How do you pronounce these four in English? It is b, p, m, f. But now I just want you to add w sound after each of them. Can you try it first? So it becomes 波, 坡, 摸, 佛. And there you go, you just learned your first four initials. Now let's put them into words. So this is pronounced 波, 爸爸. Now read after me. 波, 爸爸. 波, 爸爸. 坡, 怕. 跟我读坡怕. Next one, 摸妈妈. 跟我读means read after me. 摸妈妈. 摸妈妈. The last one, 佛飞佛飞. Alright, that's the end of our first lesson. Remember to go back and practice these initials. Until next time, 再见.